everyone, welcome to TVSL Mind. I will offer you the insurance secrets that create millionaires today without Guru Mushti. Would you like to save big money on your auto insurance and reduce your risk of auto theft? With the rising price of gas, skyrocketing healthcare costs, etc., Americans are feeling the economic crunch. Let's put some money back in your pocket right now and let's take a bite out of auto theft. Auto etch, headlight cleaner, headlight restorer, headlight restoration, headlight polish, headlight. With the rising price of gas, skyrocketing healthcare costs, etc., Americans are feeling the economic crunch. Let's put some money back in your pocket right now and let's take a bite out of auto theft. The best part is you don't have to switch insurance carriers. Local auto dealers charge $299 to $499 for this same service. Real price should be $25 to $30. What a rip-off. Note dealers also charge $200 to $1,000 for replacement headlights when you can buy headlight cleaner and restorer for under $20. You can easily purchase it direct from the manufacturer below cost right through the internet. Police departments, insurance companies, Auto Club, Motor Week, Speed Vision TV, and leading consumer groups and publications all recommend window etching as a strong theft deterrent and a great investment. The top 10 most stolen autos. 1. Toyota Camry. 2. Honda Accord. 3. Oldsmobile Cutlass. 4. Honda Civic. 5. Jeep Cherokee. 6. Chevrolet Trucks. 7. Toyota Corolla. 8. Chevrolet Caprice. 9. Ford Taurus. 10. Ford Trucks. Did you know that every 19 minutes a car is stolen in this country? Vehicles equipped with a visible theft deterrent system are 4 times less likely to be stolen. Auto etching uses a strong caustic to etch VIN hash, S and other registered numbers into your car windows. Glass is the 3rd most valuable item after plastic headlights and airbags that professional thieves look for. These items are then resold on eBay and elsewhere by these thieves for quick cash. 95% of thefts are by professional car thieves. Chemical auto etching is a safe process. No damage is done to the vehicle and it can be professionally done. It is very affordable as its actual cost is 70 to 85% less than auto dealers charge and has many benefits. It has been proven to enhances vehicle value at resale. Insurance discounts of up to 35% or more. Mechanical parts to break down or need repair. Save money and have peace of mind. 9 out of 10 auto thefts are by professionals who will not take a car with traceable numbers. One of the most cost-effective security steps is having a security number etched on each window. Start saving big on your insurance today. Auto etch, like headlight cleaner and restorer, is a bona fide product backed and used by the police in every state. It is guaranteed to save you far more than it costs, has numerous benefits, and you can undercut the dealer and buy it without paying their ridiculous prices, $200 to $600 plus. For more information on auto etch and or similar products like headlight restoration kits, contact the author below or look up auto etch on the internet. Insurance discounts can vary by state and by carrier. See you again. Thank you very much for coming to this channel.